Hello everybody. Today it's a beautiful day and I hope everybody not enjoy but stay home and do not go out. And like this everybody can cook home and I make recipe like 3-4 times a week. Like this everybody can see what I make. Now today I want to make a stuffed manicotti with the ricotta cheese. Now the recipe already it's on the Facebook and YouTube, the recipe. But the other day I was cook extra spinach. And everybody know that you don't gotta throw away nothing you gotta use. And I got extra spinach and I want to do the manicotti stuffed with the ricotta and spinach. But the recipe, like I say, it's with the ricotta. Okay, now I got all the ingredients over here. And I got started over here with my homemade tomato sauce. I got mozzarella, pecorino cheese. I got a ricotta. I need the black pepper, salt. I got a spinach. I got 1 egg. And I got a fresh mozzarella. And this is the manicotti. Now the manicotti I was boiled for 8 minutes. When I boil, I put salt and oil in water. I cook for 8 minutes. After one time, I take it out and I put in the cold water to make it nice cold. After you take it out for the water, and I was put it right over here like this. I use the patch paper this. Parchment paper, and I put the manicotti right on the top over here. Now, for start, I want to start with the ricotta. And I put the ricotta right on this bowl, and we put the dish right over here. Now, I got a pecorino cheese, and I put it together. And I got 1 egg. And I cracked the egg. And I put it right over here. I need a little salt. No, the black pepper, I'm sorry. I said salt, the black pepper. And I got a salt over here. And this is done. Now we put this on the side over here. And I got a mozzarella. This is a fresh mozzarella. And I want to cut and I want to put it together over there. Quando mamma te t'ha fatta, quando mamma te t'ha fatta, devo sapere che c'è un petto. Carne bella, pasta sti carne bella. Now this, I gotta chop a little small piece. Cappucciata la 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 la. Latte un po' fatta. Non c'è bisogno zingara per diventare concè. Mamma te io saccio meglio te. Ok. Questa bocca bella.
Oh, somebody's coming over for dinner.
Okay, good. Okay, now the mozzarella I put over here together.
It's small pieces enough, isn't it?
Yeah, that's enough. Ma ti dico tutte cose. E chine, tutte fravole giardine.
Can you say hello now to the small people watching?
Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Now I got this spinach. And the spinach, what I want to do, I want to chop. This is the spinach I was saute with the garlic. The garlic really thin. And now we chop the spinach.
Can you say happy birthday to Sharon?
Sharon?
Cheryl.
Huh?
Cheryl.
Happy birthday, Sharon. Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's say happy birthday with my wine. Happy birthday. Good wine. Non c'è bisogno zingara per divinare con c'è. And now we put it together over here. Okay, now this, it's everything done. Now what I do, I take the board, and I take it out, and I gotta wash my hands. Okay, now we give a nice mix, everything together. The eggs, the spinach, pecorino cheese, e ricotta, e mozzarella.
It's mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, and this is fresh mozzarella I put.
Yes, it's a fresh mozzarella, yes. Marie, uè Marie, da suonaggia persa che te. All right, it's a nice mix. All right, now I put this over here, and I got this spots. Da suonaggia persa che te. Let's clean up this dish. I gotta wash this dish. I don't got the dishwasher over here. I got an electric dishwasher, but I don't got the garçon to wash the dish. Hey boy, you wash a dish. No, Pasquale wash the dish. Okay, we put right over here the dish. The salt in this, and we take it out. Like this, we got more space over here. Now, we put a little salt on a bottle of the pot.
Salt.
The sauce. I say sauce, not salt.
It's a salt.
We put the sauce.
Jennifer, she sent you stars. Say happy birthday to her.
Happy birthday. What's the name?
Jennifer.
Happy birthday, Jennifer. Okay, now. And we mix the sauce. I don't want to say salt. Okay. Now, we take this bag, and I was to make a little hole over here, but so the hole is too small, we can make a little more big. I got the scissors right over here, and let's fill it up the bag over here. Mari, uè Mari, da suonaggia persa che te famma dormì, uè Mari, uè Mari. Okay. Hello, hello everybody. Hello, you come? Sotto metto zucchero. We put it this way, right, Iva? No,
Well,
this
which,
way.
whenever.
We put it this one. Okay. This is only for me and my wife, anyway. Che adesso caro too many the manicotti. E tante che girano. Sotto gli metto zucchero. Ok.
No, it's from the bags, the shells. It's not fresh made.
That's a really beautiful, beautiful one. Okay, let's see if I can make another one.
Do you know what is formicola? It's far away from Orsara.
Formicola?
Formicola.
Oh, I don't know.
No? Robert asked, what time will be ready?
This? Well, it's quarter after, okay, 6:30, but maybe 10 to 7. 10 to 7. Okay. Good to the last drop. Okay, now we put some of the sauce on the top. We put a little extra sauce, it's okay, on a bottle. Now this, you go in the oven, you gotta cook for half hour. But I put in the oven for 20 minutes. After I take it out, and I got mozzarella over here. It's a mixed mozzarella. You got a Parmigiano, pecorino cheese, and mozzarella. It's all mixed already. You buy like this. Okay, I was want to use all the mozzarella, the sauce. All right, now this you gotta go in the oven like I say, for 20 minutes. After we take it out, and we put mozzarella on top. The oven is on already. Okay, let me wash my hand. I want.
Yes, this was meat sauce, yes. No,
Okay.
it was not. It's from the store, the shells.
Yes, the shell, it's for the store. All right, now I want to say to everybody, salute e cin cin. Wait, I got something over here I was making. Let me drink this with the water. With the wine. Okay, I got a taralli, a little wine, and I want to say salute e cin cin to everybody. And we see it again next time. And maybe we take a nice picture to show to everybody what it look like.
The temperature is 400 degrees.
Okay, salute cin cin. And I want to say thank you very much. You give it to me the star. I want to say thank you. And thank you for the everybody. And make sure to stay home, to be safe. Now, I see a lot of country, you know, I see it on the news. Everybody wash the street. But I don't see nobody over here wash the street yet. I hope maybe somebody start to do America too. But I see like, I think Italy, France, China, everybody disinfect the street. I hope we do in America too something, you know, can we be safe. I want to say salute e cin cin to everybody. And thank you again for the star. Or no star, thank you for everybody. Salute, cin cin. Salute.